Yeah. Start with the one way we know now. Start with the one way we know now. We be newbie now. Start with the yeah. Today for this video, you hear me? I go talk about those baby steps videos. Baby step videos. You understand? Those ones where we say you don't know what to be blogging, you don't know how to start blogging, and you dey passionate and you want go into blogging. If what's be passionate? You want to make money? Who passion help? So I go talk about those things now for this video. So I don't want to jump right into it. I want to explain some terminologies when we go to use all through our encounter anytime we meet, so that you know go be like say I dey explain things every time. The first one are domain. What is domain? Okay, look, domain like name of a child. Domain, the name of a child. You want visit this child, or you want call this child, you go call her Chiamaka. You go answer so domain or domain name na your website name, something like facebook.com na domain name. And I go show you in coming videos how to buy them and how to set them up. Next, what is hosting? Look, hosting as the body of the child, where the files they store. Then I will explain hosting later, but I explain this next one. Then what is DNS? DNS, domain name service. Look, DNS like wetin dey connect domain and hosting together. E dey the middle, and they connect domain and hosting together. CDNS as wetin dey connect domain to hosting. Now we have thousands of websites in the world, right? Right, I mean, no, right. Now, and we have thousands of millions or billions rather of websites and hosting in the world, right? Now DNS now they tell the domain say, come here, you belong to this hosting, oh. No go another place, oh. So don't be complicated, no worry. You don't need all this step in the one where I want to show now in this upcoming video. You don't go even follow all this DNS blah 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 blah. No. Now just click. You don't set up your own. Why I dey teach you people is that so that you go know these things. Not be tomorrow now. I show you the video. I mention this. The next one is WordPress. Okay. Why I mention WordPress is that WordPress is the platform where you go to build your website. After you don't set up all these things now, we go install WordPress for your control panel. We install WordPress rather. Control panel now where you go fit control everything that happen for your hosting end. You understand? So we go install WordPress. Now this WordPress, now you go begin the post. People go come and visit your website. You see as your website be. WordPress don't make it easy. Say instead of you to create your website, you go come and start from scratch. You write code for login, write code for register, write code for post, write code for no. WordPress now easy to install. Even design your website, you go run out for WordPress. Okay. So the next one we will talk small terminologies of Adsense. First thing, what is Adsense? Okay, I will make a video about that. But small terminologies inside Adsense like CTRO. CTRO means click-through rate. Means the amount of people who visit your website come click ads. You understand? That be CTRO. Then they check CTRO from the page views and people will click. You understand? If 10 people visit your website and 10 people click, your CTRO will be 100%, meaning 100% convert, which is bad. 10 people not supposed to see come your website, 10 people will click on ad, it is too bad. So if 10 people come your website, one person click, CTR will become 10%. If 100 people come your website, one person click, become 1%. So the next one now RPM. RPM they happen based on your posts, how your post they optimize, you understand? RPM then will help boost your CPC. CPC means cost per click, you understand? It means how much AdSense they pay you per one click. If your cost per click now $1, it means every time when somebody click your ad, $1 go add for your dashboard. You clear? If you don't clear, you clear. Understand that what I try to teach you guys in all of this series now, how to become successful at vlogging. I don't want everybody can do one thing, everybody can do arbitrage, you understand? You can set up your blog. It might not be scholarship, it might not be jobs, it can be health, it can be biology, it can be architecture, anything where you know say if you blog about what people need. Many people need don't go blog about what things now you want go to read you understand? So because there are many other ways to make money. Not just AdSense, not just AdSense, there are many other I go show you now for inside this video now. Check. Make I show now some okay. This time all this ones so you dey see now no be Adsense code, no be Adsense. Na other ad network. You can set up a different type of website where you go still make money. So my brother, it clear I be no clear. If you clear, you good. If you no clear, now you know. Peace out. I don't mean am.